Good evening, good afternoon. This is Andre Park, and I want to thank you for taking a look at this life transforming product that is literally changing people's lives all over the world. But please make sure you thank the person who invited you on because they truly thought enough of you to share this powerful information with you. And the first thing I want to talk about is what are the major problems that this system is helping to solve? Right now, 90% of American adults are metabolically unhealthy. That means 9 out of 10 people are dealing with things like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, high blood sugar level. They have extra fat on their body. And heart disease has become the #1 killer in the world and is now starting to affect the children. What is causing this? It is the modern day food environment that you're living in. Fast foods are on every corner. The processed foods in the grocery store has little to no nutritional value, and the fruits and vegetables are now being manipulated. And it's causing you and the people that you love and care about to deal with something called insulin resistance. Now, if this is your first time hearing about insulin resistance, here are some symptoms that you can look at on yourself or your loved ones. Things like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, erectile dysfunction, PCOS, fatty liver, cravings for salty or sugary foods, brain fog, anxiety. At the root of all of that is something called insulin resistance. Now, I want to introduce you to a company by the name of Unicity that is built to last. They started in 1903 as Rexall drugs. They've evolved over the last 100 years and became Unicity in 2001. And in 2021, they introduced to the marketplace a system called the Feel Great system. Now, the powerful thing about Unicity is they're a science-based company. They have their own manufacturing plant. They have their own in-house scientists and documentation on how the system works. And they're doing business in over 60 countries and support over 20 different languages. Now, here's the Feel Great system. It is 2 food-based products, your Unimate, your Balance, and you combine that with time-based eating. Now, the first part of the system is Unimate. This is a powerful, purified yerba mate extract designed to maximize your fasting periods or whenever you need a snack. Now, this allows you to feel great all day. You can enjoy it at any time. There's no crash, there's no addictiveness. This suppresses your hunger and your cravings by using your stored fat for fuel. It's going to boost your mood, your mental, and your physical performance, improves your endurance and your strength. The second part of the system is called Balance. You're going to drink Balance with your biggest meal of the day. Balance is going to keep you satisfied. It's going to slow the digestion of carbs into your system, allowing you to experience a healthy blood glucose, insulin, cholesterol, and triglyceride levels. It has 8 different strands of fiber. It has a 7X technology. It also has a phenomenal cardio mix and your vitamin complex. So this is the system when you combine it with time-based eating. So at midnight, you've been sleeping an hour or 2, your blood sugar starts to normalize, your insulin level drop, your glucagon increase. At about 4 or 5 a.m., your digestive system now starts to reset. Fat burning begins. Your human growth hormones increase. Your GPO1 increase naturally, and you ramp up fat burning mode. So to continue all these great benefits, you wake up, you drink your Unimate. That's going to extend that fat burning mode. That's going to extend those human growth hormones. That's going to extend your GLP-1 naturally. Then around lunchtime, your first meal of the day, 12 noon, or 10, 11, 1 o'clock. But that's when you'll take your second Unimate. You can drink it when you might need a snack, maybe about 10, if you used to snack around then, or maybe you used to have an energy drink or a coffee around 3 or 4 o'clock or another snack to keep you going. You have your second Unimate at that time. And then your biggest meal of the day, which is generally dinner, you would drink a Balance with your dinner. So it's time-based eating, 2 Unimates, 1 Balance. That is the Feel Great system. Now, the thing about Unicity is they believe that documentation beats conversation. So all of this is documented through human clinical studies, double-blind placebo tests. They're in certifications and partnerships like NSF International, but more importantly, they're in the PDR. This is a reference that your medical doctor has in their office, or they do it online. In this reference, they can look up a particular drug, see what it's good for, what all the side effects are. In the same reference, it's a small segment that talks about natural products. You have the Unimate in there, and you have the Balance, showing the clinical studies and the dynamic results that people have received from using the system. Now, with the system, you're going to get 3 powerful guarantees. One is a 90-day happiness guarantee based on your blood work. Things like your A1C, your cholesterol level. If you don't see changes in those in 90 days in a positive way, you get your money back. No questions asked. No other products in the world I know of that does a guarantee like that. Number 2, you get the best price guarantee. The person that shared this video with you, they have a link that gives you a $50 coupon discount so you can get the absolute lowest price on the system. Number 3 guarantee is a 100% quality assurance. Every batch of the product goes through a triple testing process before leaving the warehouse, coming to you, guaranteeing you the best results on this product. Now, this is saving you money, and it's going to transform your health. Here are a few text messages that came in. I'm saving over $500 a month. My IBS is nowhere to be found, lost 35 pounds. We're down $200 a month in our grocery bills. Lost 14 pounds in 2 months, size from a large to a medium. A1C went from 11.5 to a 6.5. My husband is off his CPAP in less than 30 days. A1C is now 5.6. These are just a few experiences that people have learned, and I'm going to share a few more with you. Check out these stories.
August 2021, metformin was the last time Alessandra filled her prescription. How many years you been on metformin?
13 years.
For what?
PCOS, type 2 diabetes, and everything that comes with it.
And how long have you been off metformin now?
Over a year now.
You guys saw that August 2021 was her last prescription. And with PCOS comes all that pigmentation, and look what's happened, it's gone. Also with PCOS comes low energy levels and cravings, right?
Doesn't matter how much sleep you get, you can't do anything.
And what's happened?
I got it all back, and I'm feeling like I can take on the world.
Off his medication. These meds. Pantol. This is for acid reflux. These 2 for my blood pressure. This for anxiety. These Trinalex, depression. Contrave, weight loss. Cholesterol pills. Any of these. These are garbage now. Doctors don't come up with a solution. They just keep writing the prescription and giving us those pills. If you have fat around your stomach, if your face is swollen, you have discoloration around your neck, you got skin tags starting, chances are you could be resistant to insulin. These 2 simple tools have helped me with everything. They've changed my life.
And that's the power of the system, just transforming lives. Check out this other one here.
Just went to my doctor. I'm no longer pre-diabetic. I no longer have high blood pressure. And PCOS, gone. Just saw my GI specialist, got great news. I've been struggling with Crohn's colitis for 10 years now, and he said hopefully in the new year I will be off all my meds. My gut lining is finally healing.
So far, what diet are you doing? You must be doing some crazy diet.
Not right now, I'm not. I have done everything. I've done keto, I've done reverse dieting, I've hired dietitian, nutritionists, planners, you name it, I have done it. I've always been frustrated and I hit a wall.
So now what are you doing?
Easy peasy. I take this every morning, I make it a tea, and I take this before my 2 meals in a day, and no dieting.
How long have you been on it, Farah?
6 months.
And how much have you lost?
29 pounds.
And Farah, that was you on your birthday in January 16th. And look at you now.
I feel great.
And that's the power.
August.
We're helping people to feel great all over the world. And get back with the person who invited you to take a look at this information so you can get your feel great system. What comes in your system is you're going to have 2 boxes of the Unimate. You can pick different flavors that you can choose from. We have apple spice, we have lemon ginger. or you can get a mixture with the lemon and apple spice, or ginger and lemon spice, or you can combo that. The Balance comes in one flavor, orange, so you get 2 boxes of the Unimate, 1 box of the Balance, so you have a full 30-day supply of all 3 products. You're going to get a mixer bottle, and due to subscribe and save, that gets you the lowest price of $159 US. That comes with free shipping, and you also get a free gift with that purchase. You could also do the one-time purchase, which you'll pay a little bit more for that. You don't get the free gift and you don't get the free shipping and handling. Or if you're with the person in person and they have a kit in hand, they can hand it to them and you can just pay them cash. But get back with the person that introduced you to this information. Get started on the Feel Great system. Because look what 90 days from now, how would it make you feel when you have more energy, when you're off a bunch of pills that you've been taking for years, when you have more stamina, when you're able to focus more, you're able to be more productive, and you're now saving $200-300 a month on your grocery bills. Get back with a person who shared this information with you. Start using the Feel Great system today. Take care. God bless. And I truly look forward to seeing each and every one of you feeling great again on the beaches of the world.